Queen AI local. What would you use? Llama? Oh, llama. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like you can do that. Creating microstructure, liquidity, sweep, DCA. Let's check it out, bro. Throw the whole freaking thing at it. It's been pretty accurate. Okay, okay. I might have to try it then. I just wait for enough people to tell me that it's the best, you know? Its parameters are too big for my 4090. Okay. So they got an API. They must have an API, huh? My scripts predict market volatility by measuring how far the current price of Aster deviates from its moving average Z-score and combining that with the price return fluctuations to estimate the probability and timing of the next trading signal. Okay, dude, that's fire. I'm gonna grab a sip of coffee. Hey, Jared. Let's see what she's built here. Nothing yet. Good. Second strategy created. Microstructure. Let's go ahead and try it out. Expectancy's nuts. This is better. I got a MacBook Pro Max. I don't know if I can run Queen though. I haven't tried it. Queen B. Okay, so this one didn't do. I mean, it did alright, but I'm looking for the best of the best. These expectancies are good. Like, duh. How much RAM? I got 96 gigs. Mhm. 39 trades on this one. 41 trades. Sharp is insane. But the return is not. So you run a 4090? How do you do that? Do you run, it's not like, you must have like a workstation or something, or how